Starting in March of 2013, the Tzu Chi Kuala Lumpur and Selangor chapter began an initiative to listen to Master Cheng Yen's Wisdom at Dawn broadcast each morning. However, in a city where crime can be a problem, Tzu Chi volunteer Wu Zhizhong does his best to ensure the personal safety of participants at the Tzu Chi Sunban Jaya retreat. Free of worries, participants can then focus on getting the most out of the Master's words. Let's take a look.
Regardless of the weather outside, Wu Zhizhong arrives at the Tzu Chi Subang Jaya retreat every morning at 4:50 to prepare for the upcoming video broadcast of Wisdom at Dawn.
I live the closest, so in the mornings I will unlock the doors and get the screen and computer ready.
Next, Wu Zhizhong waits for arriving volunteers in the parking lot to ensure their safety in a city where crime can be a problem. His goal is to have them free of worries so as to better take in the wisdom that will follow.
That early in the morning, people will still worried about their safety. To make them feel safe, I will wait for everyone downstairs. Once the last person has arrived, only then will I go upstairs. This way everyone can listen to the Master with peace of mind.
Wu Zhizhong's commitment to the Morning Sutra study group comes from his visit to Taiwan last August.
When Brother Cheng Yuan got on the stage to share his insights, even though he is just a boy, it was amazing to see how much he had absorbed from what the Master said and how easily he was able to share his insights into Buddhism with us. So at that time, I made a small vow, which was to try to make it a point to come listen to Wisdom at Dawn at the retreat.
From that small vow, Wu Zhizhong has been able to influence many other volunteers.
I told him, even if it is only the two of us that attend, I will still accompany you. After taking part in these morning events, I've found that in my daily life, I've been able to remind myself more and more to apply what I have learned and prevent my heart from becoming unsettled.
The golden wish of Master Cheng Yen is only to develop wisdom in her disciples and volunteers. Responding to that call has been Wu Zhizhong, who holds the Wisdom at Dawn study group as a way to repay the grace of his teacher.